Hello everyone, this is a cherry guava tree, also called strawberry guava. There are two kinds of cherry guavas. The yellow ones, that are these over here, and the other kind that is red. They look just the same, but only in red. This cherry guava tree is at least 50 years old, but it's still producing lots of fruit. And the cherry guavas are very nutritious. They have 3 times more vitamin C in comparison with an orange, for example. And it's rich in fiber, calcium and iron. And most of all, it's very delicious. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a cherry guava tree directly from the seeds I will pick up from this tree. If you don't have a cherry guava tree near, you can order these seeds online. Okay, so now let's collect the seeds. I will open it. And these are the seeds of the cherry guava. And what you have to do is extract as much as you can. Extract the seeds. After collecting the seeds, you should try to take out the pulp, the maximum quantity you can. I will put all these seeds together with the pulp in a small strainer like this. Okay, and then put some water so that you can remove the pulp. It is very difficult to take out all the pulp, but at least you take out some quantity. Then use 2 or 3 paper towels folded and put the seeds on top and spread them, and then leave it to dry for about 1, 2 or 3 days. You check and see how is it drying. When it's dry, take the seeds off from the paper. So these are the seeds that are already dry, and I will put them over here in a paper towel. I will use 2 sheets, and I will put the seeds over here in one half of this square over here. Put water it well, okay, like this. Fold it. I put again some water, turn it around, more water, then use a plastic bag, put the paper inside. Leave some air if you can inside the bag, because it prevents mold from forming. Then close the bag, and then I will use a paper bag to prevent sunlight from going inside, because the seeds germinate well without sunlight. So I'll put this bag over here. I will fold it. I will put also the dates. and it is cherry guavas. Okay, now I will keep it in a warm place because these seeds germinate well in temperatures from 21 to 29 Celsius or 70 to 85 Fahrenheit. I will put it, in my case, I will put it near a window and it will catch some sun and maintain a warm temperature. If you don't have sun, you can put it in a warm place you have at home or near a machine in top of a fridge or any kind of device or machine that is constantly warm, and wait some weeks, 2 weeks to 4 or 6, it depends, and then let's check to see how it's growing. So 3 weeks went by. Now let's see how the seeds look. And we can see they're already starting to create roots. This one ripped the paper, teared apart the paper. Now let's open. Wow, lots of sprouts. So the seeds are already prepared to be sowed. So they are starting to get green, and this one has a leaf. And probably it's because the paper bag didn't block all the light. Some light went through. This is why the sprouts are a bit green. Now let's put them on pots. I have here some small pots with holes in the bottom. The first thing to do is water the soil before sowing these seeds. So over here we have the sprouts. It has the root down here, that is the brown part, and this greener part of the sprout is the part that will grow up above the soil and will create the plant. So when you put it in the soil, put it with the brown part pointing down. So make a hole in the soil, not too deep and not too wide. Put it inside. Okay. Press it down gently, create a good contact between the soil and the plant, the sprouts, and then water it well. You don't have to leave it outside, the green sprouts out of the soil. You don't have to do it. If you want, you can, but you can put it almost all inside the soil. Finally, in this pot, because I have lots of sprouts over here, I will put not only one but a few of them, 4, 5 or 6 sprouts here in this pot. Okay, that's it. So now, let's put it in a bright place for it to catch good quantity of sunlight. It prefers warm temperatures, but if it is not possible for you to have it in a warm place, at least don't put it in cold places. Try to avoid that. In a few days, let's check to see how it looks. Now this is 2 weeks after sowing the sprouts in these pots, and as we can see, we already have the cherry guava trees growing. Perhaps I will make another video showing how these trees are growing. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put the thumbs up. See you and goodbye.